Hi! In front of me is Poco F5 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, you need to open Play Store and tap on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Now you need to install this free app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck device and System Info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!